Wait, wait. Right, that's going now.
Here it goes. DC dive.
Oh, yeah, it's recording.
Right, wait a minute then, let's get it ready.
One for the ladies.
What a muppet.
Get your feet up, pigs. You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
That's it. You don't want to get them wet.
It's not even deep.
Oh.
It's not even deep.
It's deep enough on them.
It's not deep.
Then again, he must have got it high that day when it went up to exhaust. Have you been ready to do on your bike?
Yeah, but it's well fun. Look, now do on your bike, Brian.
Watch him, because the tidal wave will get you.
We'll go faster than that on our bike.
Go on, full blast. Go on
It's
then.
like thunder, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can't you let them get wet?
Well, we don't want them stalling. Stalling, don't use that word here.
Look how light, look how fucking deep it is. Go on, faster! Go on, faster! Go on, that's it! Look at bow wave you're bringing! Fucking hell, Shaggy, make a right bow wave. You make a right bow wave. Yeah. You make a, the faster you go, the more bow wave.
Watch my bike.
I didn't film that. Yeah.
Yeah. Damien! Do it from other end, Wheelie!
Wow. Oh, this is awesome. That well nice cool.
Piss mask.
Okay.
He's got it up.
You've got some skill. You've got some skill.
Dave's got a fan club.
Come on, mate, you two
Yeah.
doing it.
No, we're pussies.
No.
Yeah, you should watch you.
Can I buy one of your quads and then I'll...
Aye.
Come on! Wheelie!
He didn't get it up.
Wheelie!
Yeah, we have, without loads of practice.
Wheelie!
It must spin on one side.
Yeah.
Big wheelie! Big one! Big wheelie! A really big wheelie!
Oh, right. You just to do a wee.
Right, wait a minute. Just, wait a minute. Turn it round. Go on. Now we're good.
Do a really big wheelie!
You need more speed, Shag.
I just don't know.
Oh my god! How did you know to come here?
Pretty good, that. Pillar.
Oh, Damien! Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for that, Dame. Thanks for that, mate. You.
You got me as well. Man, I missed